Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the fast-paced world of modern kitchens, efficiency and versatility are key, and a reliable handheld electric food mixer can be a game-changer for any home chef. These compact yet powerful appliances have revolutionized the way we prepare and whip up our favorite dishes, making kitchen tasks quicker and more enjoyable. To help you navigate through the myriad options available, we've curated a list of the top 5 best handheld electric food mixers. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or simply looking to streamline your cooking process, these mixers boast impressive features, ergonomic designs, and exceptional performance. Join us as we explore the cream of the crop in the world of handheld electric food mixers, each promising to elevate your culinary experience to new heights. Number 5. saengQ CH933 Handheld Electric Food Mixer. The sleek and ergonomic design of the saengQ CH933 immediately caught my eye. The handheld style makes it easy to maneuver and control, allowing for precise mixing and beating. The combination of PP, polypropylene, and stainless steel in its construction not only gives it a modern appearance but also ensures durability and longevity. With a rotation rate of 1400 RPM, this mixer packs a punch in terms of performance. The 7-speed position settings provide flexibility for various culinary tasks, from gently folding ingredients to whipping up stiff peaks for meringues. The power of less than 750 W strikes a balance between efficiency and energy conservation. Number 4. JIQI 4DDQ Handheld Electric Food Mixer. Equipped with a 200 W motor, the JIQI 4DDQ delivers impressive mixing power. The 5-speed settings provide versatility, allowing me to adjust the speed based on the ingredients and the consistency I desire. Whether it's whipping cream, beating eggs, or kneading dough, this mixer handles the task effortlessly. Operating the JIQI 4DDQ is a breeze. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use, and the intuitive controls make it suitable for both experienced and novice users. The beater ejector button adds an extra layer of convenience when transitioning between tasks. Number 3. SONIFER SF7019 Handheld Electric Food Mixer. The SONIFER SF7019 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. The plastic housing feels sturdy, and the overall construction seems durable. The compact dimensions, 19,168 inches, make it a space-saving addition to any kitchen, perfect for those with limited counter space. Equipped with a 100 W motor, this handheld mixer offers impressive power for its size. The 5-speed settings provide versatility, allowing me to tackle various recipes with ease. Whether I'm gently folding ingredients or whipping up a thick batter, the SF7019 handles it all effortlessly. Number 2. BALASHOV Handheld Electric Food Mixer. Equipped with a 150 W motor, the BALASHOV Handheld Electric Food Mixer delivers consistent power across its 5-speed settings. Whether I'm whipping cream, beating eggs, or kneading dough, this mixer handles the task effortlessly, offering precise control over the mixing process. The BALASHOV mixer doesn't stop at just being a hand mixer. It also serves as a versatile kitchen appliance with features like a milk frother, electric pastry blender, and dough kneading machine. The variety of attachments, including the Whisk mixer and planetary mixer, make it an all-in-one solution for various culinary needs. Number 1. Dessini DS268 Handheld Electric Food Mixer. The DS268 boasts a powerful 600-watt motor that effortlessly whisks, mixes, and blends ingredients to perfection. Whether I'm whipping up cream for desserts or beating eggs for fluffy omelets, this electric whisk delivers consistent results every time. The stainless steel beaters ensure smooth and lump-free mixtures, showcasing its versatility for various culinary tasks. One of the standout features of the DS268 is its compact design. With dimensions of 201,010 centimeters and a weight of 1.04 kg, it fits comfortably in my hand, making it easy to maneuver and control. The compact size also means it takes up minimal space in my kitchen, a crucial factor for those with limited storage. Thanks for watching this video.